What's up guys, your guy Shapiro Acid, and guys, in today's video I'm going to continue how we started. Okay, so in my last video I talked about how you can create Exness account in MT5. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can deposit and withdraw for the Exness. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about how to create a real account. Maybe in my next video I'm going to talk about how you can create a demo account and link it, but today's video is for a real account. Now when you're here for the first time, okay, when you're here for the first time, it will be like this. If maybe you have, let me just show you something real quick. If like this, you have a dashboard like this, which look like this, just put the one you have here, put it on archive. So click on the three dots and put it on archive, so that here will be empty. Now when here is empty, the next thing for you to do is what? Click on what? Open new account. So click on the open new account, then to load, then just choose standard. Okay, standard, just standard. Okay, click on continue. Now when you're here, make sure that it's on real. Sometimes it will be on demo, but make sure your own is on real. Okay, make sure it's on real. Now when you're here, depending on the money you're going to deposit, okay, depending on the money, that will help you to know the leverage that you're going to use. So let's assume in this video I'm going to deposit 200 cedis. Okay, so when I deposit 200 cedis, meaning that you're going to use the leverage of 1:1000 cedis. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and explain what leverage and other kind of things. No, I'm not going to explain that in today's video. Now looking at this, now this one, you decide the currency you want to choose. Some people love to trade in dollars, some people love to trade in Ghana cedis, and I love to trade in Ghana cedis, so I'm going to choose Ghana cedi real quick. And you can see they are asking me of my nickname, so I can put Shapiro Acid here as my nickname, then a password. Okay, so just give them a password that you will never forget. You can even use the password that you used to create the account. So give them a password, a nice password, and click on create account. Okay, now when you click on create account, it will come like this. You just wait for it to be created, because it's not created yet. You can see the account has been created successfully. Now when you're here, this is what you do. Okay, after the account is created, you click on the deposit. Okay, now when you click on deposit, you can see that you can use a Binance to pay, you can use Momo to pay, you can use your bank account, you can use Bitcoin, a lot of payment method here. But the one I recommend, since we are in Ghana watching this video, or wherever you are watching this video, you click on your mobile money, which is very convenient here. Okay, now they're asking how much do you want to deposit. So let's assume I want to deposit 200 cedis. Okay, so write the amount there and you click on continue. Now here you check the number. You can see, you see that number you're going to use, the number that you used to create the account is the same number that you're going to send as your Momo number. Okay, please don't change. If you change it, one thing. Okay, so don't change the number again, make sure that it's the same number. If it's the different number, then I advise that you create a new account again, use the Momo number. Okay, so that you not find yourself wanting. And I'm very sorry for the background noise. You know, cars are passing by, a lot of things are happening, so I'm very sorry for that. Now when you're here, you just click on the MTN. If your own is Tigo, you click on Tigo. If your own is Voda, you click on Voda, but mine is MTN, so I'm just going to click on MTN, then click on pay. Okay, now I'll just wait for the prompt to come. So let's just wait. They're going to send me a prompt where I'll be releasing the money. You can see that the prompt just came. So I'm authorized to pay 200 cedis to the account. So I'm just going to give them my password. So that's my password real quick. Then I'll click on reply. Then I'll confirm it and click on reply. Okay, boom, and the money is just taken from my account. They just take the money from my account. Now the next thing for you to do is that you can see the money is taken from my account. You can see the message up there. So I'll click on done real quick. Then I'll click the three buttons at the top here. Then I'll click on what? My account. And the money is going to appear here. Now you can see that the money have appeared here. So this is how to deposit the money in the Exness account. Now let me go ahead and explain how you are going to link this money to the MT5. Okay, how you're going to link this money to the MT5. But before I go that way, I want to show you something real quick. The reason why you're supposed to join my mentorship group or my signal group. Now this money, you can see I gave them a signal. Okay, actually I explained to them that this week is my exam week, so I'm not going to be trading actively like how I used to do. So this morning I released this signal to them. Okay, this signal released to them, and you can see we are printing some money from it. You can see that we are printing some money. I'm trading two currencies. I'm trading in dollar and I'm still trading in Ghana cedi. So this is my dollar, and I think I didn't post the Ghana cedi here, but if you look at my free group, you can see that I think I post the Ghana cedi as my start. So you can see, so I also post everything on my stats, and this one posted in VIP. This is my dollar account, as you can see, and this is my CD account. So I love to trade in all currency. Now let's continue. Now after you have deposited the money here, the next thing for us to do, okay, the next thing for us to do is to go to our MT5, the one that I made you down, this one, the one that I made you guys download. You go here. Okay, guys, so this one you are seeing on the screen, you're going to go on this one, you click on this one. But guys, this is where things get complicated here. Okay, things get complicated here, meaning that those of you who are using this one Android phone, yours will be different from those of you who are using iPhone. Okay, so let me know if you're using Android phone. I'm going to record a new video with Android phone to show you how you can set up this particular thing I'm going to do here. Because those of you who are using Android phone, if you are here, they will see a three dots at the top here. That's why you are going to click your own. But those of you who are using iPhone, okay, those of you who are using iPhone, when you are here, all that you need to do is just click on the setting button. Okay, after clicking on the setting, go back to the Exness. This is the Exness. Then click the three dots here. Click the three dots here and click on account information. Now you have to take note of something. You have to take note of the server and the login. Okay, so the server they have given us is MT503, and our login is our login. So you copy the login. Basically, you copy the login, then you go back to there, then click on new account. So imagine that if you just click on the MT5, it will come like this. You just go to setting, you click on new account. Okay, now you click on the, you search for Exness. So here I'm going to search for Exness. Okay, real quick, search for Exness and you click on the Exness terminologies, the last one here. You click on this, the last one here. Now when you click on this one here, remember we are given a particular server. So our server here is MT503. So click on the server. You're going to click on the server and search for MT503. Okay, so this is our server here at that one. No, I think this trial. Let me look for it real quick. So make sure that your server, everything is correct. If everything is correct, okay, this is retray. So you click on the retray and you paste the login here. So you're going to paste, that's my login, and I'm going to give them the password that I used to create the account. That's why I said don't forget your password. Okay, now I'll just click on done and you can see that my money have appeared here. So it's simple. So let's look at here. You can see everything is zero. So this is our real account, everything is zero here. Okay, so that's the simple way to deposit money and how to link the Exness to the MT5 or MT4 depending on the one you are using. Now I think the next question you guys are going to ask me is how to withdraw. Okay, how to withdraw money from here. Now in case you want to withdraw this money, it's very simple. In case maybe let's assume you have traded with this money, I've made profit on it and I want to withdraw, it's very simple. I'll just come here. This is where you'll be doing the deposit, and so I'll just come here and click on withdraw real quick. Okay, so they're going to ask me the means of withdrawal, always Momo because I'm in Ghana. Then I'll tell them the amount I want to withdraw. So let's assume I want to withdraw the 200 cedis again quickly. Then I'll just click on continue. Okay, then I'll confirm again, and they're going to verify. They are going to send you a code. Okay, so let's just wait for the code. They're going to send us a code. Now the moment they send us the code, and the code, it is a code, you can see the code at the top. So I'll just put in the code and click on confirm. If I click on confirm, they are going to transfer my money back into my account. Okay, my money will transfer back into my account, and sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes for you to receive your money. I'm not ready to withdraw this money yet. Okay, that's why I don't want to place withdrawal. Okay, so guys, that's a simple way to to deposit and withdraw in the Exness account. But in case those of you who are watching this video don't have money to deposit, just comment you don't have money. I'm going to do my next video where I'm going to explain how you can create a demo account and how you can link the demo account to practicing. So this is how it is. And you can see, in case you want to join my mentorship group, you want me to mentor you, I'm going to be explaining a bit of these things all you're seeing on the screen here, and also I'm going to be explaining how you can trade, how to buy, how to sell. I'm going to be explaining a lot of things. But in case you want to join my mentorship too, don't forget to just hit me up. In case you want to join my signal group, okay, where I drop signal every day. Okay, I drop signal in the group every day. Okay, every day. You can also let me know that I will add you to my signal group. So guys, that's what I have for you in today's video. In case of any question, anything, just let me know. See my next video. I'm out.